on this episode of the... Okay, go on and say it.
Ego Talon.
Mitsu Gang?
In the town. Go. Move the GST. Probably needs a jump. There she is. Let me see if she starts. So many spiders everywhere. She's dead. Still have to put our center console in here too. I don't know why I'm waiting for her. I'll probably just do that as well on this video or the next video. And I can paint these ones on both sides and the bezel, or that's already painted. Could probably take these both off of from Royals as well. But let me get this car jumped. These things. I've gotten to use one of these on the trip that we were on. It worked pretty good as long as it's charged. I had to jump the truck in it and it had to be fully charged, so hopefully this will suffice. Put these on first. Wait until this is fully charged, and then once it's charged and it's green, we'll be able to jump the car. The battery's too weak for me to jump it with this little thing, so I'm gonna run over to Randy's house and get jumper cables, which I should have had some here. Go over there and get the jumper cables, and I'll jump it with the truck. The truck here, jumper cables from Randy's. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's go. Both feet. Go. Alright. Now let's move this GST over there. put the Eagle Talon right there. I'm actually gonna probably clean up this area so I don't got all that stuff under there. I'll do that first. Put a tarp down with some of these little anchors in here to lay down the tarp. Now I'm going to go get the Talon and face it this way like the GST was, and put it right there, and put the blue tarp under the engine bay so I can see whatever's leaking, whatever we got to go get done, so, and have a little bit of flat surface to be able to put the transmission scale thing on, and just have this easy process. I could come out here while it's facing this way, the engine bay will be all up front and everything will be fine. So let me go get the Talon and back it in here. Talon is here. It's fine, I have enough space back here. Yep, I have enough space back there. Just go around, walk around, just to make sure wheel well and everything. Cool. Even got some extra axles from the other manual car, which I could probably put in this one. The GS. No, I could probably put in this one for the transmission that I'm going to be redoing. So got the GST there. That's fine. Just make sure this is up as far as it needs to be. Got something special for that later on in life. Hopefully it works. So, okay, we got that. Now, and then I can just put the GST like normal over here. I'm gonna move some stuff over there, of course. And then I'm gonna park the GST back over here. I think next I want to probably rearrange some of this stuff over here, get all that cobwebs and all that stuff out of there, and rearrange some of this stuff to be working. I don't want to look at it and just be, oh, I don't want to go over there. So as you can see, all these spider webs and everything, I'm just gonna clean and get all this stuff knocked out. On second thought, it's hot outside. I'm gonna take a break before I tackle all that stuff over there. I was trying to find my mom's keys to her Escape, but I think she came and picked them up because I can't find them right now. Because I was gonna move it out so I could be able to just knock it out of the way. But because I can't find the keys right now, I'm just gonna take a break, go inside with some AC, and then devise my plan and execute it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's a little bit later on in the day, and I managed to jack up the car on both sides to get it off the ground, to start taking some of this stuff off. Randy had told me I should probably start taking everything from the top off, so once I get to the bottom, just take off the tire, take off the axles, and then I'll be able to just see if there's any other components that are down there that I can take off, and then I'll be able to take the transmission out. So I will probably get to this tomorrow because it's getting a little bit later, and I didn't get to that yet because I couldn't find the keys for that, and I'll probably do that tomorrow. So I'll probably end off the video here. So tomorrow I'll probably clean up that area, and we'll probably get started on tearing down the Talon to make it a manual car. Tune in next time on the Eagle. All right.
Eagle Talon. Hi guys, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching me and my dad work on my
Mitsu